So we've got straightforward open button, which opens the lid. And there's the only way to close it is just by pressing down on the top of it. This doesn't really get hot, but this metal ridge around here will get very hot. The gap underneath is also quite shallow, so heat does come down onto the worktop. It clicks shut, and then you've got the different temperatures: 190 degrees, 170, and on here you've got a dial which goes to 190, 170, 150, and then lower, and you lower the temperature. There's no way of really telling what that temperature is, apart from the dial coming roughly in that area. So with your oil in, the pan open, you've got your basket, and with that basket it folds. So I'll just put it on here for a minute just to show you. I'll lift it onto there, so it sits on the top when you want to sort of drain the oil off. And this handle turns, so it will actually fold for when it's being stored away. So when that goes down here, it's in place, and that's how it folds. So for the moment, just going to open the handle up. And I'm just going to lower that in. Open the lid down and wait. When hot enough, I believe this little green light will go off, so just wait to see if that happens. Once you're at the right temperature, it starts to boil. Open it up. And you see it's ready to throw your chips, fish fingers, fish, whatever you choose to cook in there. And that's it. It's quite a nice compact machine. It can get hot up the sides, not a great deal. I'm surprised actually. I did think it would get quite hot on the sides here, on these sides. It's actually not so bad. The underneath on the worktop isn't so bad at all either. That's actually quite cool. So my first impressions was it gets quite hot. But having had the thing heat up now and ready to cook, it's not so bad at all. So yeah, it's a nice basic machine. Probably one that wouldn't be used for constant cooking, but as a sort of a fairly lightweight machine to use from time to time. I'm sure it will last though. Thank you.